to read the English definitions and write them in Korean. If you guys are done, let me know, give me a thumbs up, or just say so out loud, and we'll move on to the next list.
Can you guys hear me better like this?
Way better.
All right, great. So as you guys write the words down, think of how to convert them into sentences saying, I want to save my allowance, or I want to spend one's allowance. Or I am receiving an allowance, I am depositing money, in different forms like that. And to give you a hint, that's what we'll be doing next.
How much sentences do we have to write?
Oh, so I was gonna say 3, but I was gonna tell you after everyone was done with the words. But yeah, it'll be 3. So pick 3, and you can write a sentence basically using any grammar that we learned. You could say I want to, or I am, and different and others. But yeah,
Okay.
if you're finished with the words, go ahead and write 3 sentences for me, please.
Okay.
And that goes to everyone else too, if you're done with the vocabulary part of it. Hi, Josephine.
Alright.
So we're reviewing last week's vocabulary. So read the English definitions and write down the Korean words for them. And once you're done, write 3 sentences using those vocab, but it can be any type of sentence. You can say, I want to give an allowance. I am spending one's allowance. So any type of sentences we've learned so far using 3 of the vocab. But after you've written all of them down, okay? Josephine, did you get that?
Yeah, it's okay if we could use our notes though.
Yeah, that's fine. Yep.
Okay.
Chongwon, how are you doing so far?
Okay.
All right. Good. Natalie, are you on the sentences yet?
No, I don't know. Like,
Oh, actually, you might not have been here for the vocab.
yeah.
Okay, so I'll reveal the words, and you can just write the 3 sentences once I erase the once I like reveal the words. Okay.
Wait, what? Sorry, I can't hear you.
So once I reveal the words, you can just write 3 sentences using them. Just wait until then. Okay.
Okay.
Minsa, are you on the sentences?
I'm done.
Oh, you're finished already? Okay, good. Josephine, I'm gonna just show the words so you can, whoever's not onto the sentences already, just move on to the sentences, okay?
It's okay because I already have like the notes and stuff.
Okay, all right, great. So Natalie, just pick 3 of these and write 3 sentences.
But I don't like. Oh, there it is. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you have any questions, let me know, because I know you weren't here for Thursday. Yes, Julian?
Oh, sorry, I accidentally put my hand up.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Are you finished?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, Julian and Misa, if you're finished, or anyone else for that matter, just continue writing more sentences until everyone's finished.
Okay.
Chawan, are you finished? Come on, let's finish then. Let's get working.
I'm done.
All right, thank you. All right, Josephine, just let us know when you're finished and we'll go over these.
Done.
All right. Okay, so did anyone use the first vocab as for their sentence?
I did.
I did too.
Okay, Natalie, why don't you give us your sentence for that?
Like, do I show you it?
Can you read it for us, please?
저는
저는
영등을
mhm.
보고 싶어요.
Okay, so very close. So we actually want to replace the ta with ko. So right now you have both ta and ko. So just get rid of ta and replace it with ko. So be 용돈을 주고 싶어요. Does that make sense? Natalie?
Yeah,
Okay, cool. Thank you. Did anyone use number 2 for their sentence?
I did.
Or is this one the to save one's allowance? Josephine, you use that one? Okay. Can you give us your sentence, please?
Yes, sir. 저는 용돈을 모으고 싶어요.
저는 용돈을 모으고 싶어요. Very good. And that means?
I want to save one's allowance.
Mm-hmm. Or I'm going to say my allowance in this case. All right, great. Did anyone use this one for their sentence? Nobody? How about this one? To receive an allowance. Minso?
I did the next one.
Next, this one. Can you give us your sentence for that one, please?
저는 용돈을 쓰고 있어요.
네, 쓰고 있어요. Great. So we have some variety. And that what does that mean?
I am spending one's allowance.
One's allowance. Or yeah, also in this case, I'm going to say my allowance. Very good. Thank you. Julian, which one? Oh, okay. Julian, which one did you use for your sentence?
So one was I want to have money.
Okay, so why don't you give us that one?
저는 돈이 wait, sorry. Oh, I think I have the wrong one. Here. You can just That's that.
Say that again. Sorry, you're breaking up a bit.
I got mixed up.
Okay. Can you just give us one of the sentences that you wrote for us?
Okay, this is the one that's already been used, but
That's fine.
저는 영돈을 먹고 싶어요.
Okay, 먹고 싶어요. Very good. And that means, I know it's on the screen, but just to reiterate.
I want to give an wait. I want to save an allowance.
I want to save my allowance. Very good. All right, Changwon,
Yeah.
can you share one of your sentences for us, please?
저는
저는.
없어요.
Will you say that again?
저는 없어요.
저는 돈이 없어요. Okay. And what does that mean?
I have no money.
I do not have money. All right, good. Thank you, everyone. We will move on to the other part of the vocab that we did last week. Since Natalie wasn't here, I won't black them out. But again, let's write this time just 2 sentences using 2 of the vocab. Whichever form of sentence you write does not matter. But when you're finished, please let me know.
So just write 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Like say something like I like it or.
Oh yes. I like. Sorry, I forgot to mention that part of it here. 2 sentences saying I like blank. So in this case, one of the patterns.
What's like again?
좋아요.
I'm done.
All right, thank you, Julian.
Wait a second. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Done.
Thank you, Minsal. Please have them ready to share or to be shared. And just a heads up, this time I'm gonna be asking a question. And basically, I'm gonna ask, what do you like? And you can answer by reading one of your sentences.
I'm done.
All right, thank you.
I'm done.
All right, Chongwon, are you finished? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So why don't you share? Why don't you share first for us? So the question is, 어떤 무늬 좋아해요?
Which type of color pattern?
Or which
one
type
I
of
like?
pattern do you like?
저는 좋아해요.
좋아해요. Very good. So what does that mean?
I like dark colors.
Very nice. Thank you,
I'm wearing a
Chongwon.
dark color right now.
Oh yeah, very good, very good. Oh, nice. You could also say 저는 줄무늬 좋아해요.
Basically bright color and dark color.
Yeah, you could have said 저는 줄무늬 좋아해요. But still very good. All right, Natalie, can you read one of your sentences for us? Actually, I'll ask the question. 어떤 무늬와 색 좋아해요? Natalie, can you answer that for us?
Did we already say dark color?
Oh, yes, Chongwon did, but it's okay. We can have duplicates. 나를리는 어떤 무늬와 색 좋아해요? Are you having trouble picking one, or are you having trouble saying the sentence?
Saying it.
Saying it, okay. So which one did you want to use? And I'll help you out. Say that again.
Stripe pattern.
The stripe pattern, okay. So
The
you know,
stripe.
so 저는, right? 줄무늬 좋아해요. Can you say that for me?
저는
무늬.
줄무늬
좋아해요.
좋아해요.
Correct. All right, Minso, can you read us your sentence, please? Oh, actually, I'll ask the question again. 민서는 어떤 무늬와 색 좋아해요?
저는 물방울 무늬 좋아해요.
Very nice. And that means?
I like polka dot pattern.
Yes, perfect. Thank you, Josephine. Josephine은 어떤 무늬와 색 좋아해요?
저는 파란색 좋아해요.
저는 밝은색 좋아해요. Great. And what does that mean?
I like bright colors.
Like bright colors. Nice. And last but not least, Julian, 어떤 무늬와 색 좋아해요?
So what does it?
So the question I'm asking is, which pattern and color do you like? 어떤 무늬와 색 좋아해요?
저는 밝은 색 좋아해요.
Nice. And what does that mean? Can you tell us?
I like bright colors.
I like bright colors. Very nice. Thank you guys. That was all great. So now we'll move on to new set of vocab. Now that we've reviewed the older ones. Right here. So let's write these 5 down, or 7 down, sorry. So the theme of this week's list of vocabulary is related to big holidays, namely the Korean New Year and Korean Thanksgiving. So a lot of these are traditional foods, games, or activities that you typically experience during big Korean holidays. So if you are familiar with them, just let me know and I can explain. But let's write them down first and add them to our list.
Can you scroll in a bit?
You mean like zoom in?
Can you scroll in? Yeah.
Sure. Is
Alright.
that better?
Yeah.
Okay.
I kept eating rice cakes.
Say that again.
Did you know I kept eating once I was fed rice cakes?
Wait, I'm so sorry. I'm having trouble hearing you.
I once had rice cakes.
Oh, really? Was it for
Yeah.
a special occasion, or one of your parents just made it for you?
It had egg in it.
Oh, Oh, that sounds good. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Now you know how to say it in Korean.
They also had dumplings in it.
Oh yeah, that's a typical addition to the tteokguk.
In real life, I did almost all of this.
Oh yeah, you've done them before?
Yeah, except for the one. I think I think it was to visit at one's ancestor's grave, but I think I've done that one. Everything else I've done.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that one's not very common in the States, but yeah, it's just something to just learn about that we do. It's good that you've tried all of these, or mostly all of them. Is everyone done with done copying these down or not yet?
Not yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's give Josephine a couple more minutes.
Do you want to know what I want? Do you want to know what I won at a game of yet?
What?
Guess what? Paper towels.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's literally it. At least we can wash our hands now.
Yeah. That's still something. Okay, so if you're done with the words, please copy down this week's grammar. We will be learning about how to say I. So past tense. So for example, I visited my ancestor's grave. 저는 어제 묘했어요.
I'm done.
Okay, so let's copy down the notes that I'm writing on the screen. So 성묘하다 changes to 했어요. And 지내다 would change to 지냈어요.
I finished.
Okay.
How many sentences are we doing for this?
Well, we're gonna do 10 for homework, but before that, we'll just do some together using these three endings. These I wrote down so you know how to convert the vocabulary that we just did, like 세배하다, 덕담하다. So it's the most important part is these three.
했어요?
Mm-hmm. Everyone done writing this down? We'll do a couple examples before we are done for today. Not yet, Josephine? Wait, Josephine, I can't hear you. Say that again.
I'm not done yet.
Okay, that's fine. We still have some time.
I'm not done either.
Okay, yeah, take your time, Julian. Natalie and Minso, did you guys get this down?
Yes.
Great. Natalie, you did too?
Oh yeah. Well, almost kind of. I'm at
Okay.
the 8.
All right, so you're almost there. Julian, are you almost finished or finished?
I'm finished.
Okay. Try a couple examples, maybe using the vocabulary or any of these while we wait for others to finish up. Okay. All right, so since we're almost out of time, I'm just gonna do an example. If you're still writing it down, kind of listen as you finish up. So if you were to use, say, this word, 떡국, and we want to say, I ate, or yesterday I ate 떡국. You would say 저는 I 어제, which means yesterday. That's the new part that we're learning today, as you see up here. And say 떡국 먹었어요. Does that make sense to everyone? It's pretty simple, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And for homework, I want you to write 10 sentences saying, I did blank, using any vocabulary that we have thus far. But 5 of them, I want you to use a vocab from here, from today. Does that make sense? So 5 sentences using this week's vocab, 5 more sentences using vocab from all the classes. Does that make sense to everyone?
네.
Okay. All right, so that's it for today's class. Let's make sure we have the homework.
Say, we can. I got would you rather.
What's that?
I got would you rather.
No, we'll do that next class. We have to end today. We're going over.
해급불면 먹을래요?
먹을래요? That's a question, but that's still very good.
해급불면 먹을래요?
Oh, that's good. It's really spicy though, right?
I know, nuclear.
Anyways, yeah, that's everything for
I never
today.
tried it before, so I don't know how spicy it is.
Right.
How
Okay.
is it?
So I'll see everyone on Thursday, same time. Yeah, and let's make sure we do the homework. Thank you guys. Have a nice night.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.